How is it going, everybody? Sorry I'm storing in terrible lighting too far for the motor, but Alistair's working out there as well, so there's noises in the garage, you know. But I'm basically I'll just quickly show you what I'm doing. So at the minute I've got these two plates all done that I was wanting to do, and I've also mocked up this bar. So as you can see, the bar still moves, but I've made an anchor to go in there, and you also bolt in inside the chassis leg, so that can be removable. So I just need to weld this onto the two anchors at each side, and that's that bar made, and then it's just the bars for there up into the centre bar to make up for the two turrets, and that's the front end just about done. Heater bubble to go back in, but I've trimmed all that, so it just gets welded in once that's done. So I'll crack on and get this welded in now. So, sorry about that, but I ended up with one of the guys for the work standing in front of the camera earlier on and just videoed his back for 10 minutes. So basically I've got this bar now in, and they're all welded up on both sides and obviously removable, so I'm quite happy with that. And what I'm now going to do is these bars here. So I've got the centre line marked in there, and then that's obviously going to go for there onto the turret on both sides, and that'll be smashing, and then that's it, just about done for the front half anyway. So as you can see, I've cut these to size and just tacked them in at the minute, just for so I could measure the inlet again. I'm just making sure it's going to clear on this side, but which it is 99% positive it is. Obviously I could try the engine in and make sure it does, but that takes all the excitement out of stuff, so I like a wee bit of a challenge. So that's I'm just going to go ahead and get them all welded in. Obviously they're all shaped onto the turrets and onto the bar in there, which is obviously quite important. And then it's just to put the bubble back in there after that's all welded up, and that's just about the front end finished, I think. Just these corners to dig, so obviously that cage is mounted onto this side, but I just blank this side in as well, mainly just for aesthetics rather than anything, just because it always ends up full of dirt, and I don't even know if I'm going to do anything with these bits. Obviously the one on that side's missing because it's rotted off. That's needing fixed obviously for out here, but I don't know, decide what I do with them after this bit's done. As you can see, that's these completely welded in, and most of the bubbles back, and I just need to make a wee blank plate for each side there and just run a wee weld along both sides at the bottom. That's these all in, so I'm quite chuffed with that. I'm quite chuffed with how it's all turning out so far. And obviously that's how the inside's looking. So that's us all in, and the blanking plates both made for both sides. That's that all done, and I've just started on this corner in here, just fixing the rock. It's actually a bit worse than I had originally thought, so I've got quite a lot of that cut away there, but it shouldn't be hard. I'll just get that all cleaned up, and I'm going to take some more out in here and just get all that properly clean, so I'm not quite happy with that. And then I'll just make a section up and get that all welded up as well. And then that's the front end just about done, I think. Quite happy so far anyway. So that's the front end all done. I just cracked on and got everything all done, so it's all buffed in and cage is on, that corner's all fixed, and the bubbles all welded back in, and I've also done the plated that bit up at there that was needing done. So that's the front end all done, so I'm just going to actually run. I'm actually just going to run round the shop, get a bottle of juice and something to eat, and then come back and start on the rear end of the cage and try and get as much done today as I can, because I've got a bit of time. So I've just moved on to the back end. As you can see, the first thing I've done is took the beam off of the rear arms, and I've put that underneath, because obviously the ninnies will know this, but the motor, or you might know if you know the motor's got a slight bend in it, and it's always been tricky putting the beam on. It's always tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put a porta power in between the two chassis legs and push them apart, and even if I need to put a relief cut in the body, I'll do it, so that the axle just goes straight on and there's no friction, there's no leave on and ham on and all that trying to get it on. And once it just goes straight on, I'm going to do the inside. I'm going to do these bits, and because that's all braced up, that should stop it from moving back in, so when I let the power back off, the axle should be able to come in and out, no bother. So that's what I'm hoping to do at the minute. That's what I'm going to try and get done. So as you can see, I started doing this. I've got, you can see the rot in that core, yeah. I've got the bits welded in, that's obviously over the bolt hole for the rear axle, and I've just notched out that bar there so it sits nice round about there, and I'm just going to go ahead and get that welded in the new. So, and then it's just to make bars for wherever they're going. So as you can see, I've got that bar all welded in, and I've also went up onto the cage there. So I've just got that side to do, but I am running out of time today, so that's probably going to be it. And I think that'll probably be it. Sorry about that. I think that'll probably be it for this video anyway. Taking up the next video, we'll just be doing that next wee bit of the cage and the repairs to the floor that are needing done, and then that's just about it. Ready to start getting prepped for paint, I think. So hopefully within the next week or so we should be ready to start prepping for paint, and that's should be as simple as that hopefully. So I hope you're enjoying the videos so far, and thanks for watching.